Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we apply the grid lines in Microsoft Excel and how can we use it to print it. This horizontal and the vertical lines, the intersection everywhere, it is called the grid lines. So when you click on this page layout guys, and here in the sheet option you have an option grid lines. When you uncheck it, then as you can see the lines is not visible now, the intersecting line, the horizontal and vertical lines are not visible, and when you check it then it will be visible. Similarly, when you have this page print preview, then press Ctrl plus P. So this page doesn't have any grid lines. So if you want to print the grid lines, then what we can do is we can click on this print titles and then check this grid lines and press OK. Again check it, Ctrl plus P. As you can see guys, this grid line is showing right now. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.